नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहे स्टँडर्ड 8 सायन्स चॅप्टर 10 सेल अँड सेल ऑर्गॅनिक आणि याच्यासोबत आपण युनिट टेस्ट सेकंडचं पण रिव्हिजन पाहणार आहे. चला चालू करूया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हू एम आय? आय एम प्रोड्युसिंग फॅक्टरी. आय एम प्रोड्युसिंग फॅक्टरी, एटीपी प्रोड्युसिंग फॅक्टरी. आन्सर मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया. आन्सर काय आहे याचं? mitochondria. I am single layered but maintain cellular osmotic pressure. Single layer vacuole. I support the cell but I am not cell wall. Answer endoplasmic reticulum. I am chemical factor of the cell. Answer chloroplast. Leaves are green. Answer chloroplast. Genes had been absent on the chromosome. Genes transmit the hereditary characters or information from parent to child. This process does not take place. Plasma membrane had not been selectively permeable. Answer membrane allow some substance to enter the cell wall while prevent other harmful substance. Membrane allows some substance to enter the cell while other harmful substance. In this case, there would be no control over entry and exit of substance. Next question. Plant lack anthocyanin. Answer, if the plant lack anthocyanin, no part of plant would display purple or blue color. Next question, who is odd man among us? Odd man among us. Nucleolus, mitochondria, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer nucleolus. DNA, ribosome, chlorophyll. Answer chlorophyll. Give function. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane act as a selectively permeable membrane. It does not allow harmful substance. Plasma membrane keep homeostasis in cell. The process of diffusion and osmosis are possible. Next, B. Cytoplasm. Answer, it contains all cell organs of cell. The cytoplasm is the medium for many chemical reactions. Next one, lysosome. Lysosome help in destruction of virus and bacteria. They destroy worn out cell and debris. Next one, vacuole. Answer, vacuole maintain osmotic pressure of cell. Vacuole can store waste product and food. Next one, E. Nucleus. Answer, it controls all metabolic activity of cell. The cell division is possible due to the nucleus. Who give me the color? Red tomato, lycopene. Green leaf, chlorophyll. Carrot, carotene. Violet, anthocyanin. Write definition and give meaning. First, homeostasis. The tendency of the cell to keep the cellular environment constant is called homeostasis. The tendency of cell to keep the cellular environment constant is called homeostasis. Next, endocytosis. To take food from outer environment into the cell is called endocytosis. Exocytosis. To give out the unwanted substance from the cell is called exocytosis. Next, diffusion. The movement of molecules from higher concentrate to lower concentrate is called diffusion. Next one, chapter 11, human body and organ system. Question first, find out my partner. Heartbeat 72 per minute. RBC 50 to 60 lakh per millimeter. WBC 5000 to 6000 per meter cube. Blood donation 350 milli. Normal body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. pH of oxygenated blood 7.4. Draw a neat and label diagram. See here. Carefully see this diagram. It's a respiratory system. It's a diagram of heart. You can take reference from book. Next question. Third, explain with reason. Human blood is red color. Human blood contains hemoglobin, which is red color. So, human blood is red color. Next one. Blood donation is considered to be superior all donation. Answer. Blood cannot be prepared in laboratory. It is available by donation. Blood is needed at the time of emergency. It can save the life of person. Question 4. Person with O blood group is considered universal donor. Answer. It does not have any antigen in RBC. So, the O type blood cannot cause clotting. Person O blood group can give blood to any person. Therefore, they are considered as a universal donor. Food must have limited amount of salt. More salt means more sodium ions. It causes rise in blood pressure and it is very dangerous. Next one. Function of human blood. First, oxygen is carried via blood from lung to cell. Second, ammonia, urea are carried by tissue to kidney. And third, body temperature is maintained at 37 degrees Celsius. Next question. Explain the importance and need of blood donation. It is available by donation only. Blood cannot be prepared in laboratory. Blood is needed in the time of emergency and accident. So life can be saved. Explain the difference. Arteries and veins. It carries the blood away from heart to tissue. It carries blood from tissue to heart. Arteries are located deep in the body. Veins are located at the surface of skin. Arteries are thick-walled. Veins are thin-walled. Arteries do not have walls. Veins have walls. Next one. Internal Internal and external respiration. Internal, external respiration. Intake of air from outside is called external respiration. Exchange of gases between cell and tissue is called internal respiration. It occurs cell and environment. It occurs only in cell of body. It involves process of inspiration and expiration. It does not involve inspiration and expiration. Which health parameter of blood donor should be checked? Answer: blood donor should be healthy. He or she should have good hemoglobin content. The RBC-WC count should be normal. The donor should not have any disease. He should not have any addiction. Next one, fill in blank. RBC of blood contain hemoglobin. Diaphragm present between thoracic and abdominal cavity. Cardiac muscle are involuntary. pH of oxygenated blood is alkaline. Production of RBC occur red bone marrow. Find odd man out. AOKAB. Answer K. Blood plasma, platelets, blood transfusion, blood corpuscles, blood transfusion, trachea, alveoli, diaphragm, and capillaries, neutrophils, globulins, albumins, prothrombin, neutrophils. Read the following paragraph and identify the disease. Today, her child became 1.5 years old. However, that child does not seem healthy and happy. It continuously crying and gradually becoming weak. It has shortness of breath. Its nails have become blue. The heart of child is not function properly. Bluish nail show lack of oxygen. Thus, the baby may be suffer from respiratory problems. Your neighbor's uncle has been diagnosed with hypertension. What should he do to keep blood pressure within normal range? Hypertension has many causes. Try to find out what is the exact cause. It is the lack of exercise, obesity, lots of fast and junk food consumption, overtake of salt, mental tension, etc. He should visit a proper physician. He should never miss a single tablet. He should avoid salty and preserved food. He should practice yoga and meditation. Next one, chapter 12, Introduction to Acid and Base. Identify the following solution whether they are acid or base. Sample solution, conversion in red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, nature of solution. See this chart. I just wait for few seconds. Okay, next one. Question 2. Write the chemical name from the given formula. First one, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. HCl, hydrochloric acid. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. KOH, potassium hydroxide. NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Sulfuric acid has the highest importance in chemical industry. Why? First, it is used in the manufacturing of fertilizer. It is used in manufacturing of hydrochloric acid. It is also used in manufacture of dye, drugs, medicine, etc. Give reason. Which acid is used for getting chloride salt? Answer: hydrochloric acid. Difference between acid and base. Acid and base. Acid have sour taste, base have bitter taste. Acid blue litmus paper turn red, red litmus paper turn blue. Example HCl, H2SO4, NaOH, KOH. Why indicator does not affect by salt? Mostly indicator are organic compound, so it do not react with salt. Which substance which substance are produced by neutralization process? Answer salt and water. Which are the industrial use of acid? Acid which are used in industrials are sulfuric acid. First, it is used in manufacture of fertilizer. It is used in manufacture of hydrochloric acid. It is also used in manufacture of dye, drugs, etc. Perfume. Hydrochloric acid. It is used to clean toilet. It is used in laboratory. Nitric acid. It is used in manufacture of perfume. It is used for engraving of copper, brass, silver, etc. It is used in manufacture of paint and explosive. Select the proper word given in bracket and fill in the blank. Main constituent of acid is H plus ion. Main constitution of alkali is OH minus. Tartaric acid is a weak acid. Match the pair. Tamarind, tartaric acid. Curd, lactic acid. Lemon, citric acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. State true or false. Oxide of metals are alkaline in nature. True. Salt is acidic. False. Metal corrode due to salt. False. Salt are neutrals. True. Classify following groups: HCl, NaCl, MgO, KCl, CaO, H2SO4, HNO3, H2O, NH2CO3. Group substance: acid, base, neutral. Acid HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. Base CaO, MgO, Na2CO3. Neutral H2O, NaCl, KCl. Standard 8, Chapter 13, Chemical Change and Chemical Bond. Complete the statement. An arrow is drawn between reactant and product. Rusting of iron is slow chemical change. Spoiling of food is a chemical change which is recognized by smell. A colorless solution of calcium hydroxide in test tube turn milky on blowing it through. The white particles of baking soda disappear. Put in the lemon juice. It's a chemical change. Oxygen is a reactant in respiration. Sodium chloride is a ionic compound and hydrogen chloride is a covalent compound. Electron duplet is complete in each hydrogen molecules. Chlorine molecule is found by sharing of electron. Next one, explain by writing word equation. First, respiration is a chemical change. Respiration is a biological process. In this process, air is taken inside. Oxygen present in this air react with glucose present in the cell and it forms carbon dioxide and water. Hard water gets softened on mixing with solution of washing soda. Hard water does not form lather with soap. This is because of hard water contain chloride and sulfate salt of calcium and magnesium. Limestone powder disappear on adding dilute HCl acid. Answer. In this reaction, dilute HCl and limestone powder, limestone disappears slowly and carbon dioxide released. Bubbles are seen on adding lemon juice to baking soda. Baking soda. When a baking soda is added to lemon juice, chemical change takes place because citric acid is present in lemon juice, and this is a neutralization reaction. Next, question 3, match the pair. Group A, Group B. Photosynthesis, chemical chain, water, covalent bond, sodium chloride, ionic bond, dissolution of salt in water, physical change, carbon, reactant in combustion process, fluorine, tendency to form anion, magnesium, tendency to lose electrons, that is cation. Next one, show with the help of diagram of electronic configuration of following compound. First, sodium chloride. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and electronic configuration is 2 and 8 and 1. Sodium atom has 1 electron in the outermost shell. It loses 1 electron from the outermost shell. On the other hand, chlorine has electron configuration 287. Chlorine atom has 7 electrons in the outermost shell, so it requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Thus, the electron lost by sodium is taken by chlorine, and ionic bond is formed, and this results in formation of sodium chloride molecule. Next one, potassium fluoride. Potassium has atomic number 19 and electronic configuration of potassium is 2, 8, 8, 1. There is a 1 electron in the outermost shell. It loses 1 electron to form its outermost shell. On the other hand, fluorine atomic number is 9. So electron configuration is 2 and 7. Fluorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell and it requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Thus, the electron lost by potassium is taken by chlorine and ionic bond is formed. As a result, potassium fluoride is formed. Question number 3, water. Hydrogen has atomic number 1 and electronic configuration 1. Hydrogen has 1 electron in its K shell. Oxygen has 8 atomic number and electronic configuration is 2 and 6. There are 6 electrons in the outermost shell of oxygen. In the H2 molecule, the oxygen atom completed oxide by sharing 2 electrons, one each with 2 hydrogen atoms. Thus, it forms covalent bond. As this way, duplet of hydrogen is formed. Next one, D. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen has atomic number 1 and electron configuration 1. On the other hand, the chlorine electronic configuration is 287. Chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell and requires 1 electron to complete octet. The two atoms, hydrogen and chlorine, share 1 electron with each other. As a result, electron duplet of hydrogen and octet of chlorine is completed. Question 5. Classify the following changes into physical and chemical change. Physical change: melting of ice, boiling of water, dissolution of salt in water. Chemical change: ripening of mango, ripening of banana, fragrance of ripening fruit, darkening of good potato, rusting of inflated balloon, sound of rusty cracker, foul smell, almost spoiled food.